Okay, so today we have a trigonometry. We want to solve them. So about total question is 17. So first we solved the first question. So saying pi over 6. We do that. First one. Okay. Saying pi over 6. So it's equal. This is question 1. We know that pi is equal 180 degree. So that means 180 divided 6 degree. So equal saying 30 degree. So we don't need to use calculator. We write here this right angle. This is 30. We know this side is 1. So this hypotenuse is 2. So we know that saying 30 is 1 over 2. So for example, this is called y. This is called x. This also called r. We equal y over 2. We can also y over r. So the question 2, what's question 2? Cosine pi over 6. So it's a cosine 180 degree divide 6. So cosine 30 degree. So it's equal here. This x also we can calculate. So x equal r square minus y square square root, because x it must be is one side length, so it must be positive. So here 2 square minus 1 square square root 3. So this side is square root 3. So cosine square root 3 divide 2. This is cosine. How about 3? This question 3. Tangent pi over 6 equal tangent 180 degree divided 6 equal tangent 30. So tangent here is this 30 degree. Opposite side divide to adjacent side. So it's equal y over x equal 1 over square root 3. We cannot remain here because it is not a simplification about this fraction. So we make a numerator denominator same time with time to square root 3. So square root 3 square root 3 square root 3. Okay, so here square root 3 over 3. So this is the final answer. If you only leave this here, I think your teacher will take some score from this question because it's not a final answer. So then we do that. Okay, for question 4, cosecant pi over 6. So it's 1 over sin. It's a reciprocal pi over 6. So sin pi over 6, we have get that solution is 1 over 2. That's a substitute here, 1 over 2. So it means 1 divided 1 over 2. So 1 divided 1 over 2. So equal 1 time this is reciprocal of 1 over 2. 1 times 2 equal 2. Then question here. Second, pi over 6 equal 1 over cosine pi over 6. So cosine pi over 6 is here. 1 divide, substitute, square root 3 divide 2. So it's here 1 times 2 over square root 3. So rationalize this denominator. So equal 2 times square root 3, square root 3, square root 3. So 2 square root 3 over 3. Final answer, remember here, this is final answer. Don't leave this part here to become the final answer. Then question 6. So cotangent pi over 6 equal 1 over tangent pi over 6. Okay, we find tangent pi over 6 is here. Here. Okay, here is this, so we take this to here. 1 over tangent pi over 6. Square root 3 divide 3. So 1 divide square root 3 divide 3 equal 1 times 3 over square root 3. So 3 times square root 3 square root 3 times square root 3. So here 3 times square root 3 square root 3 times square root 3 is 3. So cancel. So this final answer is here. Okay. This question 6. Okay. So now saying pi over 2. Okay, we can cancel this. They take more space. Okay, so question 7. So next question is 7. Question 7. So saying pi over 2. So we write a coordinate. So this x, this y. So pi over 2 is about here. Okay, the angle here is a small one. So, but the angle become larger and larger until here. The point should be 0 point. So the angle is should be here. Point x 0 point y. So equal sine, because here r is y divide r. But y is we same with r. They repeat, they cover. Y covered r, so it's 1. So how about this? Cosine. Cosine pi over 2 equal cosine 90 degree. So cosine is adjacent side, it becomes 0. Okay, 0 over r, 0. So tangent pi over 2 equal y over x, because now x becomes 0, y over 0, so is does not exist. Okay, we find next question 7. So 8 question saying 5 pi over 6. Okay, we find this question before to draw them. So here, x, y, 5 pi over 6. So it's here, about here. So the degree is here, so large degree. So this part, what 5 pi over 6. And here, degree here is 1 over 6 pi. This degree we call the reference angle. So this we take any one point is here. So x comma y. So also we calculate same according definition is here. Y divide r. R all the time is positive. So here is 30 degree. 30. So that means here is 1, here is 2. Same is 1. And r the hypotenuse is 2. So is 1 over 2. So that means any degree like this is big degree. We just find the reference degree, reference angle. So that means sine equal sine pi minus 1 over 6 y over 6 pi equal same y over 6 pi. So equal y over 2. Then we find another question, 8, 9, saying 7 pi over 6. Okay, so same. We find the coordinate x, y here. So we can write to here. So that means 7 pi over 6 is equal pi plus y over 6 pi. Okay, so that means the angle is here. So this part is the reference angle is 1 over 6 is here. 1 over 6 pi. So is 1 over 6 is the same 180 plus 30 degree. Okay. So here is 30, here is 1, here is 2. But this is negative because here this part is positive, this part is negative. So this y is negative 1. So it's right. So negative 1 divided 2. 2 is this hypotenuse all the time r all the time larger than larger 0. So this is solution. And 9 question, 10 question. Sin pi. Sin pi is equal sin. I see. Take a look. Question 10. Okay, sin pi. Sin pi is sin 180 degree. So 180 is here. First graph is easy to understand and don't make a mistake. Degree is here. Okay, this degree 180. This point is x, comma 0. Y is 0. So sin is y over r y is 0. For example, here, try to see find the angle like this. This is easy to understand. This is 0. 0 over r is 0. Okay, 10 question. So, other question. 11 question. Okay, 11 question. Okay, cancel. Take some space. Okay, we solved question 11. Saying 4 pi over 3. So, equal saying pi plus 1 over 3 pi. So, same, write the coordinate. Graph that here. Pi, this is starting side, this pi over 3. Okay, here. This reference angle. So, this is 60 degree, 60. Okay, 60. So that means not very exactly. So here, this one should be 30 degree. This should be 1. This should be 2. But this one should be negative. Okay. So we write there saying, and this one, we find this. This should be 1 over 4 minus 1, this. So square root 3. But here, this position at the negative part of y-axis. So should be negative square root 3. Saying pi plus 1 over 3 pi. Okay, equal here. Negative square root 3 divide 2. Question finish. So 12 question. Saying 3 pi over 2. Okay, equal saying pi plus pi over 2. So here is pi degree here. Start side here, end side here, terminal side here. So now the point is here. Take any point at here from terminal side is 0, comma y. So it's equal y d over r. R is positive. We pretend the degree, the angle is here a little bit. So that means this part y is equal r, but it's negative. Y equal r. We can write here equal r. So r over r. But this part is negative. So negative 1. Question 13. Saying 5 pi over 3. 13. 13. Okay. Then rewrite here saying so 1 pi plus 2 over 2 pi over 3 over 3, this one part. Okay. So this angle 5 pi over 3. So we can also write here saying 2 pi. Just we want to find a reference angle is here. Two pi minus 1 over 3 pi. This is the reference, this same angle. So find the reference angle here. So this part is 1 over 3 pi, 1 over 3 pi. This is 60 degree. 60. So here 30. Okay, here 1, here 2. So this part square root 3 negative. So it should be negative square root 3 over 2. So this is the solution. Question 14. Saying 11 pi over 6. Okay, here equal. Saying 6 over 6 pi plus 5 over pi. Okay, totally 11 pi over 6. So equal, just also equal, saying 2 pi minus 1 over 6 pi. Okay, now graph it. Okay, here. This 11 pi over 6 also is also same with this angle. This is 1 over pi. It's 30 degree. So that means this side this is 1, this is 2, this is square root 3. So same as this 1, but this way negative. Negative 1 over 2. Question 15, saying 2 pi. We take this off. Okay, question 15. Saying 2 pi equal here. Okay, 2 pi is here. Just equal saying 0. So 2 pi is here is x comma 0, this point. So we can write to sin 0, sin 2 pi is equal sin 0 to pretend the angle here, just pretend. So y is 0, r, so their solution should be 0. Okay, question 16. Thirteen pi over 6. So equal sin 2 pi plus 1 over 6 pi. So here, the angle is here. So this is start side, 2 pi here, then 1 over 6. So it's 30 degree here. Reference angle. So this side should be 1. This should be 2 hypotenuse. So it's equal 1 over 2 because here y is positive. So this one is positive. Question 16. So 17. Saying 25 pi over 6 equal saying 4 pi plus 1 over 6 pi. 4 pi also equal saying 2 times 2 pi plus 1 over 6 pi. So it's here coordinate. The one circle is 1 pi, one circle is 2 pi, two circle is 4 pi. Okay, here 2 pi, 4 pi, then okay, this is 1 over 6 pi. Totally, this angle is huge. Is 25 pi over 6. Reference angle is here 1 over 6. 1 over 6 is equal 180 divided 6 is 30 degree. 30. So here 1, here 2. So is 1 over 2